gained a lot of weight, feeling breathless after talking for some time, cholesterol and weight was gaining on my tummy, struggling with constipation. It seemed magical. Tremendous weight loss. I feel as if I've entered into a magical world.
क्या आप अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना चाहते हैं, नहीं कर पा रहे? ये वीडियो आपके लिए है, एंड तक देखेगा आपका थॉट प्रोसेस चेंज हो जाएगा। हेलो, दिस इज डायटिशियन पंकज नंदवानी। वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ DHP टेस्टिमोनियल। टुडे वी हैव विद अस मिसेस अमी सुंधानी, अ फॉर्मर नेशनल लेवल स्विमर एंड नाउ अ कॉलेज प्रोफेसर। She has experienced some wonderful, tremendous changes in the last 45-50 days, and she has been a true inspiration for me as well. Thank you so much, Amiji, for coming and making time for us.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to join you for this testimony, and meeting you has been a life-changing process for me, and I cannot express the amount of changes I have seen in me and how much happiness it has brought to me.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's our pleasure completely to serve you, Amiji. So, Amiji, start करते हैं सबसे पहले कि what were the problems you were facing in your life?
So, I have undergone 2-3 cycles of weight loss. They were good, but I realized that they were not sustainable. So, as a result, post-COVID, I had gained a lot of weight, which I was trying to lose, but whatever plan I would adapt to was not working efficiently for me. Eventually, I stopped working towards it, and I accepted the fact that I'm going to be like this.
Okay.
I had come across several symptoms which I was experiencing, and I shoved them away, assuming that it was because of my age or maybe perimenopause or something.
Yes.
Things like feeling breathless after talking for some time, reduced energy levels, several health parameters also were a little here and there, like cholesterol and fatty liver, and weight was gaining on my tummy, right? And I couldn't solve those problems. But then over a period, I thought I need to find something that is going to be beneficial for me in the long run, and will always keep me healthy, because health is a primary thing to think.
Exactly. So, Amiji, how you came across us?
So, my sister began with you, and she kept talking about you. I wasn't initially so interested, but I met my sister after a long time, face to face, and I saw a very drastic change in her, and I was very happy to see that, because she was also having issues it was a problem which she was continuously facing from a long time. And when I saw that change in her, I thought it's time for me to meet the person who has changed her.
Okay.
And she directed me to you, and that's when we first met.
Thank you so much, Amiji. We are talking about Kavita. Kavita ने भी DHP लिया था, और she has experienced a wonderful changes herself. अभी Amiji, since how long have you been following this DHP?
So I started on the auspicious day of Gudi Padwa.
Okay.
So I think it's a little more than 50 days now, and the changes I saw in myself within the first week were tremendous, and it seemed magical.
Yes.
So I suddenly realized कि इतनी छोटी चीज जो है, इतनी आसानी से पंकज जी से सीख के मैं इतने अच्छे से कर सकती हूँ, and I started implementing it as a part of my lifestyle, and it became very easy. When I first got your dietary habit plan, I was scared when I saw so many pages, and but when I went through it, it was so self-explanatory, and with your guidance, I could adapt to it very easily. So by the second day, I was already on track, and within the first week, I could see tremendous weight loss, and I was feeling energetic. My sleep was normalized.
Wonderful.
Everything was good.
Wonderful, wonderful, Amiji. आपने जैसे बताया, इतने सारे आपने PDF पेजेस देखे, तो you were scared about it कि मैं कैसे फॉलो करूंगी. So,
Yes.
जैसे आपने थोड़ा सा बताया तो सही, लेकिन प्लीज एलैबोरेट, जब आपने देखा तो आपको क्या फील हुआ? क्या बहुत डिफिकल्ट था आपके लिए करना? इनिशियली 7 days आपको बहुत सारी चीजें प्रिपेयर करनी थी, क्या हमने आपको बहुत सारा फूड खाने को दिया था, हमने आपको क्रैश डाइट दी थी? थोड़ा सा आप एलैबोरेट करिए डाइट के बारे में.
So when I first saw the number of pages, I got a little worried. But as soon as I opened it, I realized it was very self-explanatory. First thing, as I earlier mentioned, but it was very much doable. There was no crash diet. Rather, I started feeling that I'm eating too frequently.
Okay.
So by the time I realized I finished one meal, it was already time for the second meal to be had.
Okay.
So I realized that it was no crash dieting. It was just spacing out my food food so well, and which was enabling the food to get processed in the right way, and it was helping me to become very healthy. And I could realize that every time I was having the food, I could feel the minerals or the vitamins that I should be getting are getting absorbed in my body. And it made a lot more sense to me that it was very easy to follow. First day I was shocked. From the second day, it was very easy to follow.
Wonderful, wonderful, Ami ji. Now, since 50 days you are following
Yes.
the DHP, तो अब आपको कैसा लग रहा है? How are you feeling exactly now? क्या changes आपने feel किए अपने body में? क्या weight loss आपका हुआ तो कितना हुआ? अगर आपने वापस reports करवाई तो क्या reverse हुए आपके reports? और अब आप कैसा feel कर रहे हैं? Although आपने बताया कि you are feeling energetic, अब आपके bowel movement कैसे हैं? आपकी energy कैसी है? आपने कितना weight lose किया? Parameters reverse हुए या नहीं? वो आप please बताइए.
So the biggest parameter, first of all, is a weight loss of around 8 kilos in the
Wonderful,
first
wonderful.
45 days itself. And over and above that, I had got my blood reports done before I began. And after a month or so, when I got my blood reports done, my parameters on uric acid and some other levels also had improved.
Wonderful.
So they were a positive change, weight loss, and this. And the second thing was my energy levels are very high. I'm able to do much more than I can think.
Wonderful,
So my productivity has improved.
wonderful.
To top it with your yoga sessions, it is like a cherry on the top.
Wonderful.
I cannot explain how helpful the yoga sessions have been. It has helped me improve my flexibility. I think these are some magical things that happen with your dietary habit plan and yoga combined. I feel as if I've entered into a magical world, and my body has become so perfect to handle
Wonderful.
that I cannot express how good I feel.
अरे wonderful, wonderful, Ami ji. I always tell to people that our health is dependent upon 4 pillars. तो सबसे पहला pillar होता है that is your exercise. आप कितनी exercise कर रहे हो? Physical activity is really very important. The second pillar is your diet. The third pillar is sleep, and the fourth pillar is stress management. तो आपने DHP लिया, Ami ji, how is your sleep now?
My sleep is very sound. I had started sleeping very late due to whatever reasons. It wasn't intentional, but I was always a early sleeper. But due to some routine changes, it went on going late, and as a result, I would feel exhausted the next day. But as soon as I adapted the DHP, within the first 1 or 2 days, I could see the change. And by 10:30, quarter to 11, I was feeling that it's time for me to sleep. And without any alarm, I was up at exactly 5:50 to wake
Wonderful.
up for my routine.
Wonderful.
So my sleep pattern has definitely improved, and as a result, my morning becomes very fresh and quick, and I'm ready to go.
Wonderful. Why I said that she has been a true inspiration for me, क्योंकि मैं बताता हूँ आपको, she is a mother of 2 daughters as well. उनकी family है, mother in law है, सब कुछ manage करना, बहुत सारी चीजें बनाना जो वो पहले नहीं कर रहे थे DHP से पहले, और अब वो इतनी सारी चीजें incorporate करना. She is saying that it was easy, and it is easy, लेकिन वो इतना easy नहीं होता. एक बारी में सब कुछ adapt कर लेना, it is really very difficult. लेकिन अगर आप अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना चाहते हो, जैसे मैंने आपको शुरुआत में बोला, अगर आप अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना चाहते हो और नहीं कर पा रहे, तो आप एक डेडिकेशन को मिस कर रहे हो जो अमी जी के अंदर है. तो आपको डेडिकेशन चाहिए, डिसिप्लिन चाहिए. यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेंज योरसेल्फ. उन्होंने जब इतने सारे चेंजेस एक्सपीरियंस किए विद इन जस्ट 50 डेज, तो आप भी कर सकते हो. अमी जी, इट हैज बीन अ वंडरफुल जर्नी टिल हियर. अब आपको क्या लगता है कि आपका टारगेट क्या है कि आप लाइफ टाइम इस जो हैबिट्स आपने बिल्ड करें, आप लाइफ टाइम इनको फॉलो कर पाओगे?
I would really want to follow, and I think it is doable. Being connected with your team will always keep us inspired. So I would, even if I'm confident of following my routine, I will probably keep myself connected to you and Honey, so that I always remain inspired with the lifestyle that I have to follow.
थैंक यू सो मच. अमी जी, मैं ये आपसे पूछना चाह रहा हूँ एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात, कि आप इतने दिन से अराउंड 50-55 डेज से आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं DHP. अब आपको देखना पड़ता है अपना प्लान की हैबिट्स बन गई हैं जो DHP है.
No, I stopped looking at my plan probably from the 3rd day.
Okay.
Because I got it memorized, and it was very easy to follow, and it is so planned that you know that every few minutes or every 45 minutes or every 1 hour, you know the time gap. So it's very adaptable, and probably by 3-4 days I'm able to adapt to it without even referring to it.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल अमी जी. जब अमी जी के रिपोर्ट्स मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम देखे थे, तो उसमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था, एक तो यूरिक एसिड, जैसे अमी जी ने बताया कि रिवर्स हुआ. एक EGFR एक मार्कर होता है, दैट इज फॉर किडनी, फिल्ट्रेशन रेट ऑफ द किडनी. अगर वो कम होता है, 90 से नीचे होता है, तो मतलब किडनी इज नॉट एबल टू फिल्टर द वेस्ट फ्रॉम द बॉडी प्रॉपरली. वो थोड़ा सा कम था, 90 के नीचे था. अमी जी ने डेडिकेटेडली सब कुछ अच्छे से फॉलो किया. नाउ द EGFR हैज मूव्ड अप अबव 90, तो उनकी किडनी की हेल्थ भी इंप्रूव हुई. पहले पहले वो हाई पोटेशियम फूड्स नहीं खा पा रहे थे, इसी वजह से मैंने उनको बोला था कि आप थोड़े दिन रुक जाओ, देन यू विल बी एबल टू ईट हाई पोटेशियम फूड जैसे मैंगो हो गया या मस्क मेलन हो गया। अब किडनी की हेल्थ इंप्रूव हो गई, अब वो खा पा रहे हैं सब। तो इट इज जस्ट अबाउट फ्यू डेज, अगर आप अच्छे से फॉलो करते हो यू विल बी एबल टू ईट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। मैं क्यों ये आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि कई लोग बोलते हैं यार हमको ये भी नहीं खाना, हमको वो भी नहीं खाना, तो लाइफ का तो क्या मजा आएगा। अगर आप 90 डेज दे देते हो अपने आप को, तो आफ्टर 90 डेज आपकी पूरी लाइफ ही चेंज हो जाने वाली है। आप जो खाना चाहते हो सब कुछ खा सकते हो, बस आपको थोड़ा पोर्शन कंट्रोल करके खाना है और थोड़ा माइंडफुली खाना है, दैट्स इट। और जो अमी जी भी वही कर रहे हैं। अमी जी आप बाहर भी गए, जैसे आप बेंगलोर गए, ट्रिप्स पर गए, तो आपके लिए डिफिकल्ट रहा ये सब मैनेज करना? वाज इट डिफिकल्ट और इट वाज इजी?
No, it was manageable. I managed to make a small travel kit.
Okay.
So I would carry everything that I needed, which I was aware would not be easily available in other places. And I carried it and I could follow my routine almost up to 85-90%. And to that extent, even the hotel got used to it and they adapted to my diet. So they were very kind of, happy making my special salads and all.
Wonderful.
And I think they will adapt it in their menu also pretty soon.
Okay,
They were very impressed with the salad. But in spite of the travel or in spite of small deviation, Pankaji, one very important thing which I have overcome is I was struggling with constipation or irregular bowels. And in spite of the travel or in spite of whatever, my bowels have become so regular and I am not at all worried about it. So that was a stress area for me. And now I am absolutely stress free about it, which has resulted in a lot of positivity.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल अमी जी। अमी जी ने बहुत अच्छी बात बताई कि कॉन्स्टिपेशन जो मैटर है छोटा मैटर नहीं है। वाई? क्योंकि व्हेन वी पास आवर बाउल्स, तो उससे क्या होता है हमारे बॉडी से टॉक्सिन्स रिलीज होते हैं। व्हेन यू आर नॉट पासिंग द बाउल्स, तो उससे क्या होता है टॉक्सिन रिलीज नहीं होते और एज पर आयुर्वेदा आमा मतलब टॉक्सिन्स अंदर बिल्डअप होना शुरू हो जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से आपको प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं। इसीलिए बाउल मूवमेंट इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और हमारा गट, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ देयर इज अ गट एंड ब्रेन एक्सेस। अगर आपका गट क्लियर होगा, हेल्दी होगा, तो आपका ब्रेन भी अच्छे से काम करेगा, आपका थॉट प्रोसेस अच्छा होगा और आपको स्ट्रेस नहीं आएगा। जनरली जब आप ऑब्जर्व करेगा, जब भी आपका स्टमक अच्छे से क्लियर नहीं होता तो आपका माइंड भी अच्छे से काम नहीं कर पाता, यू आर नॉट एबल टू फोकस ऑन योर वर्क प्रॉपर्ली। तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप अपने बाउल मूवमेंट पर काम करें और हम, अगर आप हमारी हेल्प लेना चाहते हैं, वी आर ऑलवेज देयर फॉर यू। तो अमी जी जैसे आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं, आपने तो रिवर्स किए हैं पैरामीटर्स। डीएचपी वैसे तो आपकी हेल्थ इंप्रूव करने में हेल्प करता ही है, मतलब अगर कोई प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स के हिसाब से डीएचपी लेना चाहे तो भी उसकी हेल्थ इंप्रूव होगी, पैरामीटर्स रिवर्स करने के लिए भी हेल्थ इंप्रूव होती है। तो क्या आप सजेस्ट करेंगे लोगों को कि उनको डीएचपी लेना चाहिए?
So let me be clear about it. Without my family even being given a DHP, they have started following my DHP.
अरे वाह, वंडरफुल।
So many small things they've adapted in the lifestyle, and I will definitely recommend people who would want to even maintain their health, improve their health, and look at a long-term perspective. They should definitely follow a DHP. It helps tremendously. I never thought it would be so helpful to me.
थैंक यू सो मच अमी जी। तो आपने देखा कि कैसे डीएचपी से लोगों की लाइफ चेंज हो रही है। इट इज रियली वेरी इजी। आपको सिर्फ अपना माइंडसेट, अपना थॉट प्रोसेस चेंज करना है। इट इज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट एट ऑल। आपको सिर्फ अपनी रूटीन बनानी है, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, अपने चारों पिलर्स पर फोकस करिए, उनके ऊपर ध्यान रखें, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू लीड अ हेल्दियर एंड हैप्पियर लाइफ। थैंक यू सो मच अमी जी, आपने टाइम निकाला, आप हमारे लिए आए, आपने हमारे साथ वीडियो बनाया। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग।
Thank you so much.
एंड थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने टाइम निकाल के पूरा वीडियो देखा। अगर आपने यहाँ तक ये वीडियो देखा है, मतलब आप अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना चाहते हो।
Yes.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वन। थैंक यू।
Thank you.